It's time to get your vehicles ready for the winter months, and contact-free mobile maintenance from Wrench can save your fleet both time and money.
Winterizing your fleet is one of the most important things you can do to really maintain or prevent downtime of the fleet vehicle. And having an issue in transit somewhere, actually on the side of the road in winter, is not necessarily ideal. Not that it's ideal even in summer, but in winter, there's a whole nother level of variables that go into that. And so, there really are some very basic things you can do, and that I think that actually, helps. And everything from as simple as just putting on winter wipers, right? Just making driving safer. I mean, that's, I know that sounds very, very basic, but it really is something that makes a difference. I mean, then, checking your spark plugs, checking, the battery, checking, your fluids, brakes, do have a different, kind of a different feel in the winter with the cold, right? I mean, there's a bunch of things that go along with that. Your belts wear differently in winter. So just running through these basic things. But then there's other things that are outside maintenance and repair. As strange as this sounds, gas, just making sure that your vehicle is above the halfway mark, right? I mean, you can get water vapor that can kind of collect in the tank in winter more so than in summer. And so those are some kind of basic things that may be very simple to do, that you might not think of, but actually will help in the long run. And so, I think that's one of the other things that is interesting, as well as the COVID pandemic that we are currently in, is where something like Wrench kind of comes into play, right? Because instead of having to take that vehicle in, deal with interacting with the shop and the waiting room or other places or things like that, you can, when you go through these processes, actually have someone come out with a contactless service in the Wrench platform and run through these basic checks for you and make sure that you're actually doing it in a safe way for your employees.